Hello my dear student of standard 9. Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today I will discuss chapter 11 lecture 3. In the last class I have discussed some basic key of economics, and today I will also discuss some basic key of economics. At first, factors of production, utpadoner upokaron. So there are 4 factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and enterprise or organization. Now I will explain one by one these 4 factors of production. At first, land. So in Bengali, land means bhumi. So usually land means soil or plain land, but in economics land means all the resources that encompasses the natural resources used in production. Example, all mineral resources, the upper stratum of the earth and everything on or inside the earth. I have given some picture of land. Okay, now labor, shrom. In economics, the term labor means manual labor. It includes mental work also. For example, the work of a gardener in the garden is called labor because he gets income for it. Any physical or mental work which is not undertaken for getting income but simply to attain pleasure or happiness is not labor. Example, playing in the field, cooking, reading book, etc. But when Shakib Al Hasan plays and earn money, that time it is called labor. Do you know him? He is a great scientist in the world. He uses his mental labor and invent a lot of inventions. Doctors, they are also using their mental labor and also some physical labor also, isn't it? So they are also belong to labor. They are called labor. It may be day labor. Okay, so this type of labor they are using only their physical labor, not mental labor. They are using their mental labor and also physical labor. So there are 4 types of labor: professional labor, semi-skilled labor, unskilled labor and skilled labor. Now, capital. In Bengali it is called Muldhan. So it is includes all goods that are made or created by humans and used for producing goods or services. It is such type of resource which is not directly consumed by more production is made by utilizing it, such as machinery, factory, buildings in production, money, etc. That means capital is used for further production. Now, organization. An organization is a group of people who work together. An organization is an entity such as a company, an institution or an association comprising one or more people and having a particular purpose. The word organization is derived from the Greek word organon, which means tools or instrument or musical instrument or organ. In case of production, organization maintains the combination of factors of production, that is combination of 4 factors of production. Now, organizer. So who is organization? So the man who organizes the whole production is called organizer. He or she bears the all risks or uncertainty or profit in the production. Now consumption, that means bhog. It means the use of goods and services by household, or the way or process of using any goods or services. So when we use any cloth, so that is also consumption. When we eat any food, that is also consumption, because we are using cloth by wearing that. So that is the process of consumption cloth. So when we eat any food, that is also consumption, because the way is eat. So through eating we are consuming the any food or anything. So consumption is related to the verb consume, which means to eat, use or buy. Now distribution, bonton. The process of distributing produce, resources or goods among the said four of factors of production is called distribution. If the distribution system is faulty and discriminatory, economic problems persist or instability or disorder are created in the society. So there are four stages of economic function, that is one, then effort, then production, then distribution and consumption. So in these stages, in the first stage, want is created. Then people give effort of production. That means people use effort and produces goods or services. So after the final production, that production will be distributed among the consumer. So after that, if proper distribution among the consumer will consumption, that is the consumer will consume the final production. So from want to consumption, this is called the stage of economic function. So here for production, already we know that there are four factors of production. So from land we get rent, from labors we have to pay wages, for capital we get interest, for organization we get profit. So dear student, today up to this you must read out these all factors of production properly. So in the next class I will start your economic system, so that time your this knowledge will help you to understand your next lesson. Okay, so up to this, goodbye everyone. Thank you.